Hello guys, hello guys, how you guys doing? Today's video we're talking about the journey of broken hearts is coming to an end. The journey of broken hearts coming to an end. Okay guys, so that's what we're talking about today. So this message was from a lady who asked me to talk about it to educate people out there, you know, about broken of heart. So sometimes we have experienced that in our life. We have experienced doubt, how it feels. But today, I'm just going to bring a few things over there, this topic. What is breaking of hearts? Today, many people feel breaking of heart is something that is very pain. It can. Many people have taken decision to kill themselves anyway, to die, to not be better anymore, to not heal themselves anymore because of one small thing. Okay, we know breaking of heart is very painful, but what is the journey of that breaking of heart? That is my question. The journey of breaking of heart, it means a lot of things. One, it can be the journey of you to become a better person. It can be a journey for you to lose everything. That losing means when some people take their own life. But the journey that I will advise people today, whether you have a broken of heart, you had a bad relationship and the guy dump you or the girl dump you, is for you to take the journey that will make you great. The journey that will make you better. That will make that your ex or that your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend to be proud of you. To know that what he or she have missed, that you have been the best. You have been the best in their life. Now let's go. I think I have 10 things. May God help me if I can name all those things. One, nothing lasts forever. I want people to know about that. In life, nothing lasts forever. Today, many people feel that even marriage today is not forever. So when you now have a boyfriend or you have a man or you married you after some years he divorced you, do you think it's going to be forever? Nothing lasts forever. The only thing that lasts forever is God. Is the Alpha and Omega. Nothing they last forever. I know that long time ago. It doesn't mean today because I'm in a relationship that thing is treating me today. My boyfriend maybe is doing this for me. I will take this forever. I pray. But one day it can be off. He can say it's not working anymore. Everybody go your own way. I have to take it. So in life, I want you guys to know that whether you are a young girl today, you are 18 years, you are 19 years, you are young couples, you are coming, you have a sweet relationship, pray. But nothing lasts forever. Even though maybe you caught on the way, you need to be strong. You need to bring the best out of you. That is what I want people to be doing. Because there's a video I watched for a guy, I think in India, who wanted to commit. I don't know if he committed suicide. He wanted to kill himself because of a lady. That was hot. It was so painful. How can you kill yourself for a woman? What happened? What did the girl have? Another? There are a lot of women that is better than her. When people live your life, that is the time you need to bring the best out of you. Look for a motivational speaker that will motivate you, that will bring that greatness in you. Is in you. You're just looking for somebody that will motivate you. You don't finish. That is it. So let's go for number 2. It's painful, but it's okay. So when someone live your life, it's painful. You're going to cry. You're going to be hurt. You're going to feel bad. But it's okay. Cry is allowed. It's okay. The way you are crying, always remember that it's not meant to be. Okay? So now let's go for number 3. I say look for a relationship coach. Look for a professional. Because sometimes you cannot handle it by yourself. You cannot. You cannot because you'll be confused. And that is the time many people used to kill themselves. There was a lady in my church then when I was going to this black French church. So she had a breaking of heart. A man broke his heart. And that night, let me just fast to talk about it. She said, I bought some medicine to take overdose of medicine. I wanted to kill myself. She took them already. So on her die, she was even dying. She locked the door. When she was dying in the bed, in the parlor, something come to her and said, why do you want to kill yourself? Do you know if that man that dumped you, if that man is going to be the man that will make you happy? This man you want to kill yourself for, do you know tomorrow if you marry him that the man can kill you or the man can dump you, or when you marry him tomorrow the man can make you a single mom? He said many thought was coming like that. He said, did something tell her that you made a big mistake for you want to kill yourself now? Because if you die now, that man is going to get a better woman. But why can't you Take care of yourself and be the best out of you. The things that the man said you were not good of, try to be that better person and let him know that you are the best woman that he missed for his life. He said she was dying, And that thing, when the thing was talking to her in her mind, she said, God, give me the last chance. Let me pick my phone. She crawled on the floor and go to the to her bedroom and pick a phone and call her friend that I am dying. I have took some medicine. My boyfriend just dumped me. They are black French. Please come around. I will just try to open the door. Call the ambulance for me because I'm dying. Her friend now called ambulance. Before her friend come, she's gone. But God still keep her alive for her to make that testimony. Then I take her to the hospital in my city here. Then I went to do her operation to remove the medicine that she take. And that is how God saved this girl's life. And she was a testimony for that. You don't need to kill yourself because of a woman. You don't need to kill yourself because of a man, because you don't even know if that man is for you. You don't even know if that woman is for you. What about if you married him? That tomorrow something went wrong. Many of us, we don't separate, we have divorce. Okay? Yes. But they will wear the white gown, we're dancing, we think, it's finished. Oh, I'm a single lady. Hey, single lady. With the show ring. With the show the single ones. Okay? But today, many of us, we are not there anymore. And those single ones now, we will say, they are married too. So nothing lasts forever. Okay? So anywhere you are today, the things break on the road. Accept it and move on. Move on and bring the best out of you. Not to never see for this life before. Okay? So now let's go. So look for a professional person, like a coach that can help you. I did not say you should come to me, because me, I'm still learning. I'm still waiting the corner. I'm still learning. I still have a method that I'm still watching that is coaching me. So look for professional. But I know, we thank God. God has been blessing me. I have been coaching many women, and I thank God for that. And there is a lot of results, and it's working for them. Okay? So look for a professional coach that can coach you, that have things. It's not because she's not married. It's not everybody that got married that have the wisdom to teach people. There's a woman that is married, they don't have it. And there's some single ladies that have wisdom to coach people, to coach people about relationship. Now God they give her. It's not by marriage. It's not by having a husband. Because there are many people that have husband, they don't even know what is marriage. You understand? There are many women that is married, but they live like a single woman. So look for a good coach. Don't look at their status, because they are this one, they are not married, they are single. I will not look for this. I'm going to look for the one that your heart carry, the one that have things to teach you, the one that have things that can talk to you, that can heal your heart, that can build you. That is the kind of people you will look for. So look for a professional coach that can help you. Number 4, heartbroken happens to everyone. Everybody have experienced it. Likewise me. I have experienced it when I had my first child. I really love the father. That was my first love. I was 19 years. I really love him very well. Not that he was not loving me. He loved me, but because he was young as well. I was young. So Pikin can't come. What do you want me to do? He don't even have money to take care of baby. So what do you want him to do? Hey, na the man to work out to run. So I really feel the pain. That was my first. That was the man never break my heart before. Since I was grown, I've always experienced that kind of heartbroken. For him, I feel the pain. So it's normal. Everybody have experienced it. Everybody, not maybe sometimes not even maybe your girlfriend, your sister, those kind of family. Everybody have experienced heartbroken. Someone you love abandon you, leave you. It do happen. Everybody have experienced it. Number 5, give. Okay? Everything happens. Everything happens for a reason. Today, a man live your life. There is a reason for that. Today, a woman live your life. There is a reason for that. It does not mean because someone live your life because you are dirty. It doesn't mean because someone live your life because you are bad. Sometimes people live your life because you don't learn a lot of things. Sometimes people live your life because you made some mistake. But that is the mistake. That is when you learn. I'm coming for that. Sometimes you don't even make mistake. People just live your life because it happens like that, because they are not for you. So everything happens for a reason. So when something happens in your life, don't blame yourself. Because sometimes there's a lesson coming your way. Okay? Everything happens for a reason. Today, you are not with the father of your kids anymore. I know. Sometimes it do happen. Sometimes there is something God is taking you to. There is something that God is showing you. Sometimes we even marry man that was not our destiny. Maybe we be there, we can die in that marriage. So sometimes it's something will just happen for two of you to go away your separate ways. That's why sometimes when this happens, I don't blame myself anymore. Because why? God is my creator. Before I was born today, he said, I knew you before you were born. He know my name. My papa give me blessing. Not me say, no, my papa give me you. Before my father would give me that blessing, my God don't know already. Saying that blessing they will call me. So God was the one that even put that name in my father's mouth. So every name we name our children, God knows those names. Now God they give us that name before we put up for our children. They give our children. So God know you. So He know your problem. He knows say I go marry, I not go deal with the man again after 7 years. So what people? That's why people laugh. People say this. I don't mind them because if my God cannot laugh at me, my God could not judge me. So who are you? When go judge me? You're not rich. You're not rich when you go judge me. You understand? So everything happened for a reason. So it doesn't mean today because you are married, you divorce, or your boyfriend dump you, it means that your life is over. That it means that hey, they will laugh at me after 10 years of relationship. Who cares? Nobody cares about that. So this happens. Everything happens for a reason. Sometimes it can be a blessing to you. I'm talking. Yes. Now let's go for number 6. I said it make you stronger. Why will it make you stronger? Today, if I look at myself sometimes, let me just make myself as an example. You know, I love using myself as an example. So if I look at myself today, I thank God for that. I will not say I am a strong woman. Why I said that? My mom is a strong woman as well. But training my son alone at the age of 20 years, God knows it will happen to me. He knows. So when I got married again, it never worked. Having 3 kids, I'm training my children alone with God. Maybe sometimes the father can assist, but not always. You understand? But I trained my son alone at my 20 years, so I'm not afraid to train them, to train the 3, to train them, to train the 4 of them. I'm not afraid because I don't strong for the first one. So what it gonna make me not go fit train the 4 now? When I was having one, I work for Apple Farm. I do publicity. So what it make me not go fit wash any toilet or wash everywhere to train my 4 children? I can do it. So anything you experience in your life today is making you to be strong. Sometimes you may experience it again, oh, maybe not the other way around again. Maybe in another different way. You will not be afraid. You will not cry. You will not shed tears. Because your past, that your past now, it don't make you this strong. So when people see me, I do 8 to 9 hours a day. People say, they try you. I don't fear. I don't fear to publish that when I work for Italy. I work for Apple Farm. Someone go beat me. So where I feel work Apple Farm, they train my 1 child. What it make me not go feel do another work like 10 hours, even 20 hours, not to train my 4 children. That is it. So I am strong already. So anything you pass through in your life, you are strong. You are strong already. So when something like that come your way, you're not going to fear. You're not going to fear again because something like that will ever pass, it don't make you strong. People that fall, now people will never express anything. That it is fear. You understand? That is it. So it make you stronger. Now let's go for number 7. But you will be there. You will get there. You will get there because sometimes you feel that, hey, oh God, after these 7 years of relationship, how can I be there again now? How can I build another one again? You will build another one. Even though it's 10 years, you can build a better one, better than that one you lost. So you will be there. No way you're not going to go again. But time at time. That one was not for you, but you will surely be there again. You will surely have that man that will make you happy again. You will surely have that woman that will make you laugh again. You will surely have that sweet moment that you think that you were having before. Maybe this time you can even have the best. Okay? You will surely be there. So don't fight. Don't cry. Sometimes today when I see people like this person that tell me, my sister, I wanted to kill myself. I was crying. I said, I'm not going to see a man that will love me again. There are a lot of men that will love you, my darling. There are thousands of men where you never ever see. So that's it. Let's go for number 8. Okay, guys. You will learn a lot. How will you learn a lot? You will learn a lot of things in that relationship. You will learn a lot of things in that breaking of heart. At that breaking of heart, you will be alone. You will cry. At that lonely time, you can't get sense. Because when we made mistake, now they will call it develop wisdom. I'm telling you guys the truth. When you made mistake, you have made a lot of mistake in your life. You have made, maybe you see a lot of things happen to you. You see the way people talk about you. You see the way people mock you, do things to you. Your boyfriend, the way you do many things to you. The way maybe your husband dump you. After your husband dump you, your husband, he say a lot of things about you. You know, he speak evil against you. He even try to harm you. All those things, you're going to look all those things. They will become a wisdom for you. So when you begin to grow up as in mature, maybe because maybe you want to be in a relationship again, you will begin to pick all those things. That is what you are going to use in this your new relationship. And it will make it more better. It will make it more matured. Because many of us, we never had a matured relationship. Me was number one. We never had a relationship that is matured. Now, children relationship we get before. Children relationship, no sense. You understand? So after those journey, that is when you began to, after those things, those when happen to you, they breaking of heart, being alone, crying, those tears, those pain. That is when you are going to learn a lot of things there. A lot of things is going to happen to you. Your life is going to take a dimension, a new dimension. Your life is going to change. Yourself, you will not expect the kind of person that you can be. With only one condition. Because breaking of heart, they have two things. Coming to be a better person, or you come to lose a lot of things. That is where many people, they die. They lost their life. They come to smoke, become a junker, become this. I don't pray that will be your portion today. So now let's go for number. I said you will learn a lot of things. A lot of things is going to happen. You're going to learn it. Number 9, listen to yourself. That is listen. What is listen? Why will you listen? Because then after you don't share all those tears you have cried, then your mind will be telling you have to move on. And when your mind tell you move on, don't ignore your body. Move on. Yes, of course, you need to move on. Because your body is going to tell you that move on. It's okay. We cry. There are times we cry, our heart is bleeding. After you bleed finish, God will still heal you. And then God will still move you to make you can't get to go out again. Maybe to see your friends. All those kind of stuff. Okay? You will be ill. Listen to yourself. Number 10, you will be ill. That's number 10. That's the final one. Because after you don't shed tears, it's like in a parable they said, when you suffer, sometimes God will bless you. It's like that. After you shed those tears, you feel those pain. You insult yourself. You cried. You say, why did this thing happen to me? Why must it be me? After those tears, you blame yourself. God will heal you, and you will be fine. You will be fine. You will be okay again. And those pain that you think you passed through will be over. You're not going to remember again. And a good man will come for you. A good woman will come for you. You will be happy once again. And that man, that woman that make you to feel pain is gone. When you go say, you will laugh. That is the thing that people are killing themselves for. Because you don't want to feel the pain. It's better you feel the pain than you harming yourself. God will not even forgive you if you kill yourself. Like this, my brother. God will not even forgive you. What about your mother that push you, that have you carry you for 9 months? You want to make the woman to cry because of that? Please, my young ones, don't do that. If a woman live your life today, she don't deserve you. Let her go. Cry over it. It's not a problem. Cry. Weep over it. But it will come to pass. That pain will go away. The pain is not forever. The pain is not forever. The pain will not last. Today, people see me today. I weep. When I separated, I weep. I cried. Today, me talking, I don't even think I can even talk to people. Today, me having my whole platform, having my whole page, I'm now on YouTube. I'm surprised as well. Now I know there was a reason for all those things. There was a reason in my life. Because I wish I did not separate, or I don't pray for that. I never pray for it. But I wish I did not even separate, or I did not experience all those my things. And also, I'm not sure. I don't think I will have all those things I'm having today. I don't think so. I don't think so. Because in life, everybody have their own destiny. Without you did not fulfill your destiny, your life is not complete. And that was my journey. And my journey, I must do it. That's why I said, even this why people say, why should you talk like that? Yes. God knows everybody's mind. God knows you. When you are your mother's home, God knows you before your father even carry name they give you. He knew us. He knows us. He knows our destiny. He knows our future. That's why sometimes we pray. God, please, change my destiny. Let it be like this. Even your prayers can change your destiny. But sometimes your destiny, when God say you go be, it go really happen to you. In my mother's that they said, when your head never reach where they go, they stand. So when I look at all my journey today, all I can say is, God, I thank you. Because making me a person today that can even talk to people, to encourage people, to build women. I have built a lot of women. My viewers, it's not everything I will share for you guys. And I believe one day, those people will come out and testify the goodness of God. I don't boast. I don't know all. But the little ones I know, my viewers, people that really watch, that listen, that write me, God have really changed their life. In their relationship, most of them, their marriage as well. That's it. So please, the journey of heartbroken coming to an end, it depends on you, the way you make your journey to be end. You can make your journey to be end to be a blessing in your life. You can make your journey to end by leaving this world. But I don't pray that for you, my darling. My young ones, don't do that. I pray you should use that journey to end to be a blessing to even him. When he go to see you, he go say, God, even maybe I don't know what you're going to become in tomorrow. Whenever I see you, that blessing go even the following will say, wow. Maybe the things you will be doing will even change his life, will change our life. So when people live your life, try to bring the best out of you. That is the only message I can draw for you guys that can help you today. Try to bring the best out of you. Build yourself. Your greatness is in you. Look for people that can motivate you. Look for people of wisdom. Look for people that can motivate you, that can build you, that can make you to succeed to have your dream. We all have dream. Many of us, we never know our dream. So when you not kill yourself, how can you find your dream? Your dream is in you. But sometimes we haven't discovered it. And we all have to do it. That is our call. So when, because a man broke your heart, you now want to go and kill yourself. So what's that? It's over. You don't have dream anymore. And you will pay for it. You are going to pay for it. So when mate dump you or your girlfriend dump you, cry over it. Cry, shed tears, cry, scatter everywhere. But don't harm yourself. Don't make your mom cry. Don't break your mother's heart. Because she suffered a lot to carry you for 9 months, breastfeed you. She did not sleep. So because of one stupid lady, one stupid boy, you said I want to kill myself. Because I will not see a man like that will hold me again. There are a lot of men that will hold you, my darling. There are a lot of men that's going to hold you down. That's going to keep you. That's going to love you more than him. So why will you take your life? So the way your journey will become, or the way your journey of this breaking of heart will end, it depends on you. But I want you to know one thing today. That when people live your life, you need to bring the best out of you. Not nonsense. Don't mess around. Don't misbehave. I did not say you should not have life. But be yourself. Look for good people that will teach you. Look for great things. The things you love, do them. The things you love doing, bring it out and do it. And those things, it will be blessed in your hand. It's going to take time, but one day, you will be blessed with it. Do not harm yourself. So I don't know if this guy that I watched his video in India, if he really killed himself, if he died, because somebody sent me the video. So if you are still alive, I thank God for your life. But this message go for our young ones today that is coming up, our children. Because one day they're going to be in love as well. Do not harm yourself because of a lady. Do not harm yourself because of a man. Never. When she go, there will always be the best. Another one is coming. A greater one is coming your way. Okay? It's coming your way. Because she's not the right one for you. And I said about that lady in my church. She said, on my dying day, on my dying bed, I was on the floor. My spirit, my mind began to tell me things. Do you know if this man is going to be your man, if he's your husband? Do you know if this man, if you marry him tomorrow, he can harm you? Do you know if you can marry this man tomorrow, he can divorce you? Do you know if you marry this man, you're going to regret all the days of your life? Why do you want to kill yourself for this kind of man? Do you think this man worth it for you dying for? She said, that is true. She now said, God, give me the last strength. She crawled to pick up her phone and call her best friend. And her friend said she was not even aware that a man broke her heart. So my advice here for viewers all over the world, when you have a breaking of heart, even though you don't have a relationship coach, look for a good friend as well. That was what I did as well. Look for a good friend that will stay with you, that will still heal your heart. It will help you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. My name is Blessing. Welcome to Wisdom About Relationship. And I hope to see you guys very soon. And bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Age Blue Program TV. Thank you very much. I love you guys. And don't forget, always be strong. Do not give up, no matter what, no matter the circumstances. Thank you very much, and bye.